Today's topic is network reduction. Reduction means reducing using series or parallel. So till now we are aware of what do you mean by series, what do you mean by parallel, but network always need not be in series or parallel. It can be series and parallel combination. So first of all, how to understand series parallel clearly. Now if you look at this example, how these two are connected, resistor R and V. So if I ask a question how these two are connected, some will answer they are in series. Some will say parallel. Some will think that series and parallel. Series and parallel. Some will answer not series, not parallel. Not series, not parallel. Not possible to answer. Not possible to answer. So these are the possible answers. So correct answer is not series, not parallel. As per the series parallel definition, what is the definition of series parallel? To define or to apply concept of series parallel, there should be or it is the resistance definition. It is based on connection. Series parallel is based on connection among the elements. Among the elements. Here elements are RCL. Looking from source. Looking from source. Looking from source is important. And what is the condition? Important condition. There should be at least two elements. Note 1. At least two elements should be there. At least two elements and only one source. Only one source. For single source only we can apply series parallel, and number of elements should be minimum 2. Maximum can be any number. So as per this definition, what is missing here? One source is there, but number of elements are only 1. Therefore we can't apply definition of series and parallel. So not series, not parallel, we can say not possible to answer, and we should not apply the definition of series and parallel. If you observe second example, how these two resistors connected. When I ask how these two are connected, majority will tell series. So my answer is not series. Why? Again you see the at least two elements are there. One source should be there. Na? Without source you can't apply series or parallel. So if source is connected like this, then these two are connected in series. Now what happens if source is connected like this? Now again I am asking same question, series or parallel or series and parallel. As per the definition, two elements are there, one source is also there. But you can't answer again. These two physically connected but electrically not connected. So loop is closed here only, current not flowing here. R2 physically connected, electrically not connected. So it is connection means this keyword. Connection means electrical. It is a electrical connection. To say electrical, physically also it should be connected. Physically connected but electrically not connected. When we say electrically connected, it implies physically connected. When we say physically connected, no guarantee electrically connected. So in this physically connected, electrically not connected, connection means basically electrical. Electrically connected means physically automatically connected. So therefore these two not connected first. When it is not connected, so where is the question of answering series or parallel? It is like when they married, we can ask a question, are you married? If they say yes, we'll ask second question, how many children you have? When answer is no, then we don't ask that question, how many children you have, like that. So these two not connected, then we don't think of whether they are in series or parallel. If you see third example, here resistor R1, R2, V1, V2, V1, V2. So again I am asking same question, how they are connected. Again in this majority will tell they are in parallel. So again apply this, the definition is universally valid. What is the statement given? Only one source should be there, but how many sources are there? Two sources, V1 and V2. Therefore don't think of series or parallel. So R1, R2 not connected series, not connected parallel. We cannot apply the definition of series and parallel in this case. We cannot apply series parallel in this case. We can't apply series parallel in this case also. So these are some of the best examples to understand series parallel. So again remember, it is based on connection among the elements looking from the source. Number of elements should be minimum 2 and number of sources should be only 1. So always series parallel definition is applicable with a single source problem. That source can be voltage source, current source, DC, AC, anything. Now let us solve some examples to understand series parallel better way. Problem 1. Series parallel is very fundamental concept. It will play a major role in solving so many problems. Topic looks easy, but it's not so easy. So I am calling this terminal A, B, C, D. So it's a T network, T with open. This side is open. So what are the possible questions we can apply? RAB, RAB, RAB answer, RAD answer same, RCD answer, RCB answer same, RBD also we can answer, RAC. So what is the meaning of RAB? Resistance viewed from AB. Viewed is not literally go there and look at. As if there is a source connected here, how much resistance that source is facing. That is RAB. So RAB value or BD. B and D same na? RBD. Both are same. But this is open. So what is the answer? Imagine you are entering from A. Imagine you are entering from A, then come to B. Come to B. So R1, R2 not connected physically. Physically connected but electrically not connected because CD is open. Then R1, R3 how they are connected? Series. Same current flowing. So answer is R1 plus R3. R1 plus R3. These two not parallel, these two not series. R2 physically connected, electrically not connected because open. So we ignore R2. We are looking for RAB. So start from A, come back to B. We don't go there again, come back like this, right? Current is one way. Current is always one way. Whatever way current going, same way it will not come back. If it is going means there should be other way to come back. Current will flow in closed loop. Current will not flow in open loop. So loop open, therefore current will not flow. So answer is simply R1 plus R3. What is RCD similarly? Same concept when this is open. So we will get R2 plus R3. RBD, B and D, no resistance, na, simply 0. Then RAC. So imagine you are entering from A, coming out from C. So it is simply R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2. So like this we can answer. Same problem. Second case, this is short. CD short. If CD is short, now I am calling this as T network with the short condition. So under this, what are the answers? So again, how to answer them? RAB. Here R2, R3 are parallel. Why parallel? What is basically property of parallel? Voltage should be same, current should divide. So here current is dividing. This divided current combined here. So between these 2 points, here dividing then added up. So therefore between these 2 points, what is same? Voltage same, current dividing. Therefore these two are parallel, series with R1. So R1 plus R2 parallel with R3. Here RAB answer, RAD. RAD answer, RAC answer also same. Because B, D, C short circuit. RAB, RAD, RAC, answer same. Then what is RCD? CD short circuited na, so that is anyway 0. RBD also anyway 0. RAC is also 0. So we can answer effectively only this. We can answer only this. So T open, T short we analyzed. Next, the third one. These are all different examples for understanding concept of series parallel. This concept is useful in transient analysis, useful in theorems, useful in two-port networks, useful in all single source problems. So very much useful this topic. Now I am taking pi network. This is pi, R1, R2, R3. Pi with open. So these terminals as usual, A, B, C, D. Again let us answer RAB, RCD, RAC. These are the three important things. So what is RAB? When this portion is open, these two terminals open. So again you are entering from A coming to B. So don't think these two are parallel. These two are not parallel. Why these two are not parallel? Here current dividing. Since current dividing, therefore immediately don't come to conclusion that these two are parallel. What is parallel properties? Current should divide compulsory, voltage should be same. But here current dividing, voltage not same. Why voltage not same? This end point not connected na. So voltage is not same. Therefore these two not parallel. But these two are series, same current flowing na. So these two are series, that is parallel with R1. So R1 parallel with R2 plus R3. Like this we have to answer. What is RCD? Same way. R3 is parallel with R2 plus R1. R2 plus R1. Then last RAC. Between A and C, R2 is there. A and C, this is also another path na. How many ways you can reach C from A? This is one path. This is another path. So these two are series, that is parallel with R2. So R2 parallel with R1 plus R3. So like this we find out. Fourth example. This again open, short. So if it is short, with the pi short. So in this we answer only one. RAB equal to RAD is equal to RAC is equal to what? R3, see, there is one resistor, this is short, this is AB. So it is R. When this is shorted, what is RAB? Simply 0 na. RAB is 0 because this is resistor is short circuited. There is another path shorted, so it will offer equivalent resistance of 0. But if this is open, again what is equivalent resistance of R only. The same way R3 shorted. So what is this equivalent resistance? 0. So simply R1, R2 become parallel. So R1 parallel with R2. These two are parallel. Over. This is with the T short. Fifth example. Bridge T. There is a flyover on T network. Flyover on T network. R1, R2, R3, R4. We call it as a bridge T with open condition. Bridge T. So this is A, B, C, D. So what are the possible questions? We can answer RAB, RCD, RAC. So we are slowly entering into thick forest. So what is RAB now when it is open? So imagine we are sending current from A. We want RAB, this current should come back to B. So how this current distributed? How it is coming back to B? So this current is dividing here. This current will come up to here. This current same will come here. Any current coming here? No, it is open. So what is the current here? Same. So this current remains same. And this here current dividing, these divided currents are added up here. So this current coming here, this current coming here. These divided currents are combined here. Therefore, between this point and this point, voltage same, current dividing. That means what? R4, R2 series parallel with R1. So that is important. R2 or R4 plus R2. These two are series, that is parallel with R1. This everything is series with R3. Series with R3 because we have to come up to B na? And this current dividing then added. This current same, that's why series. Current same means series. So this is important observation. Same way RCD. So R4, R1 series. R4, R1 series parallel with R2. This is series with R3. Like that RAC. A to C, how many ways you can go? This is one way. This is another way. You can't go like this, open. You can't come here again like this, you can't go. So finally, R1 plus R2 is parallel with R4. So these are the three. Why I am solving all these problems is, if I solve all these models, you can understand series parallel better way. If CD is short, Now how to answer this? So open, change it to short. Same Bridget-T network, short. Under this condition, we answer only RAB. RAB equal to RAD equal to RAC, only one we answer. Now, this is very tough problem. So, how to answer this? You can answer easily. This is connected here, this point, this is short circuit na. So easily you can analyze, easily you can answer, or correctly you can answer if this is connected like this. If this is connected like this. Now this path again short circuit na. So this I am connecting like this. If this R2 is here, you can also keep it here. So now you can answer. These two are parallel, series with R1. This total equivalent is parallel with R4. So R1 plus R2 parallel with R3. These two parallel, series with R1. This total value is parallel with R4. Parallel with R4. So this is a little bit complicated. Carefully observe. Bridget-T. Next, lattice network. T open short, pi open short, Bridget-T open short. So 6 over, now this is 7th one. Lattice network. Unsymmetrical R1, R2, R3, R4. So name of network is lattice. Lattice network. In this we can answer RAB, RCD, RAD also different. RBC. RAC. RAC. RBD. So total 6 we can answer. So lattice network with open only we are taking. Later we take short. So what is RAB now? When it is open, again same technique. You are entering from A coming to B. And this current dividing na here. So this current flow, it is open. So coming like this coming here. This current go here, same current coming like this. So this divided current combined here. That means R1, R3 series, R1, R3 series, R4, R2 also series, that is parallel. So this value is parallel with R1, R3, then R4, R2. Like this we have to answer. Parallel thumb rule, where current is dividing, those currents where they are combining. So between those 2 points they are in parallel. Next RCD, R3, R2 series. Parallel with R1, R4. Then RAD, between A and D. A to D, this is one path. What is other way? Start here, go like this. So R4 is 1, that is parallel with R1 plus R3 plus R2. These three series parallel with R4. The same way RBC, B to C. So when R3 is coming, you can go like this now. So R2, R4, R1. R2, R4, R1. The same way RAC, R1 parallel with R4, R2, R3. R4, R2 plus R3. Then last RBD, R2 parallel with R3, R1, R4. R3, R1, R4. R3, R1, R4. So like this we can answer. Lattice with open. Then 8th one, lattice with short. So CD shorted. CD short. So under this condition, what is RAB? Lattice with short, CD shorted. Now as it is, if you observe, it looks confusing, but confusion eliminated with the smart work. R3 connected here means same, this path is short. So what I do is, this connection I am removing, connecting here, same only na. This is connected here, I remove this and connected here. So confusion is eliminated. These two are parallel, these two are parallel, both are in series. So what is RAB now? R1 parallel with R4, that is in series with R2 parallel with R3. R2 parallel with R3. So like this RAB. What is RAC? We can also answer RAC. R1 parallel with R4. RBD we can answer. R2 parallel with R3. RCD anyway 0. That's all. These are the possibilities we can answer. So lattice open short. Ninth example. So what is RAB here? This is easy model. So A to B. R2, R5 not parallel. This is a common mistake of majority of the students. So immediately they come to conclusion because current dividing they say parallel. That is a blunder. So R2, R3 same current flowing series. These two series they are parallel. That is series with R1. So R1 plus R2 plus R3 is parallel with R5 plus R4. Like this you have to answer. Now let us see different combinations. 10th one. If it is connected like this, 10th problem is this is connection. So what is the answer now? Problem changed. Now RAB is simply R1 only. Why only R1? What happens to R2 and all other? Physically connected but electrically not connected. So if this is shorted, current will flow like this only. Current not flowing. When current not flowing, so how can you answer series or parallel? R2, R3 physically connected, electrically not connected. R5, R4 also physically connected, electrically not connected. Because they are not connected, we don't consider. So simply R1. 11th one. If this point is connected, then what is RAB? Under this condition, this endpoint connected. So these two must be parallel. These two are parallel, then both are series. That is again series with R1. So R1 plus R2 parallel with R5. R2, R5 parallel. That is series with R3, R4. R3, R4 parallel. If it is confusing, it is equivalent to say that these endpoints connected, these endpoints connected, and like this. So these two are clearly parallel, these two clearly parallel, again both are series. So like that we can answer. if there is a resistor here R6, now to answer. When resistor extra R6 is there, now it's a complicated model. These two are not parallel now. These two not parallel now. These two not series. Why not series? Same current not flowing here, dividing na. So not series, not parallel. These two not parallel, not series. You take any two elements, not series, not parallel. So you can't answer. Not possible to answer using series parallel. Using series parallel. Using series parallel not possible. Because series parallel unable to understand, therefore not possible. But still it is possible. This is the 12th one. Possible if R5 R3 is equal to R2 R4. R5 R3 is equal to R2 R4. So it will form a bridge. 5 elements are there. This product, if it is equal, what is this condition called as? Bridge balanced condition. Bridge balanced. So this is a condition for bridge balanced. So what are the characteristics when bridge is balanced? Bridge balanced means voltage at this point to voltage at this point same or equal. Voltage at this point is equal. For example, when I say voltage here V, this V not same, equal. Equal, same, not equal. That's important. When I give 100 rupees to you, after 1 month you return back 100 rupees. You are giving equal amount, not same. Same means same note you are not giving back. So that 100 you spend, later different source you get 100 rupees, you are giving back. You are giving equal amount to not same. So same and equal, not same, not equal. Here 5 volts, here 5 volts. That 5 is not coming here. This is 5 different, this 5 different. You have 50 rupees, I have 50 rupees. We are not having same amount, we are having equal amount. So these two voltages are equal, not same. Now if this is V, this is V, what is the potential difference between these 2 points? 0. When it is a 0, what is the current here? Then this current become 0. Current 0 means open or short? Current 0 means open. So physically it is there, electrically behaving like open. Because current 0. Why current not flowing? Equal voltage is coming. Why equal voltage is coming? Bridge is balanced. So therefore, under this open condition, we can answer now. So what is the answer under open condition? R1 plus R2 plus R3 is parallel with R5 plus R4. R5 plus R4. Not necessarily open. Even you can also think like short. Can also think like a short. Even though it is short, but what is the value of current? 0 only. Because bridge is balanced, whether open or short, current is 0. But under this short condition, these two become parallel. Na? So R1 plus R2 parallel with R5, R2 R5 parallel plus R3 parallel with R4. R3 parallel with R4, because we are assuming it is a short. Remember, this answer is same, equal. You simplify this or you simplify this. This is becoming this is also becoming this. But when you are changing this into this or this into this, make use of this condition. So both the answers are same. Because both the answers are same, what is the conclusion? When bridge is balanced, you can think like open, you can think like short. So that is one important point. Next. There is another simple example. So what is RAB here? Don't think these three will form a delta. Physically appearing like delta, but it is not delta connection. Simply R1 plus R2, R1 plus R2 is parallel with R3. Don't think it is a delta, convert into star, all those things, not necessary. Look at this simple case. So what is 15th answer? Previously it is looking like delta but not delta. Here it is not looking like bridge but it is a bridge. Observe carefully, 5 elements are there. This into this equal to this into this. All values are equal. This into this equal to this into this. So bridge balanced. When bridge is balanced, I can think like open. If it is open, R plus R, 2R, R plus R, 2R, 2R, 2R parallel, 2R, 2R parallel. What is the answer? R. You can also think like short. If it is short, these two parallel, RR parallel is R by 2. R and R parallel is R by 2. Again same answer coming. So you have a freedom to choose either open or short when bridge is balanced. So this is another typical example. If you think continuously for half an hour, you cannot understand how they are connected because of this complex connection. At most what you can do, imagine this connection removed, connected like this, or keep this as it is, this connection like this, or this outside, this also outside, more confusion. So this type of problems we can solve easily. Simple technique. If this point is x, this point is also x. If this point is y, this point is also y. This point is y, this is also y. Because no resistor here, so shorted xx, yy. Now redraw. How to redraw? R1 between A and X. X and A, here R1. So R1 over. R2 between X and Y. X and Y, there is R2. So R2 over. R3 is also between X and Y. So this R3 over. R4 between X and Y. R5 between B and Y. R5 between B and Y. Now we can answer easily, na? These three are parallel, all of them series. So therefore answer is R1 plus R2 parallel with R3 parallel with R4 series with R5. So this is the simple technique I applied, and redraw, then you can answer. Without redrawing, without assuming like this, think continuously for half an hour, you will get a wrong answer mostly. How to answer this? So this is A, this also A. This is B, this also B. R across AB, R across AB, R across AB. That means 3 resistors connected across AB. So what is RAB in this? Simply R by 3. Simply R by 3. So like this we can understand concept of series and parallel. So network reduction using series and parallel. I hope with this you got some concept of series and parallel. Thank you.